Toaster ovens are convenient for making tasty hot dogs within a short period of time. They make crispy, juicy, and mouth-watering delicious dogs that you will love. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 hot dogs. 2 hot dog buns. Yellow mustard optional. Pepper. Cheese optional. Other dressings or toppings: ketchup, onions, pickle relish, and so on. Let's get started. 1. Preheat your toaster oven to a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Line a cooking pan with aluminum foil. This will make it easy to clean the pan and toaster oven after use. 3. Cut 3 or 4 diagonal lines of about 1/4 deep on the sides of each hot dog using a sharp knife. These slits let steam escape so that the hot dogs do not explode while cooking. 4. Put the hot dogs in a cooking pan and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Afterward, open the toaster oven and turn the hot dogs to ensure they are evenly cooked. 5. Cook for an additional 3 to 4 minutes or till they are crispy outside and juicy inside. 6. Remove the cooking pan from the toaster oven. 7. Toast your buns if you want to. 8. Put 1 hot dog in between each bun. You can add your preferred toppings: yellow mustard, cheese, and so on. 9. Serve and enjoy your delicious hot dogs. If this video was helpful, kindly subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to see our updates. Don't forget to check the description below for more details. Visit our website, zimtoasters.com, for more content like this. Thanks for watching.